literally what happens is faster than the eye. And it's definitely faster than you notice at 30 frames per second or even 60 frames per second at normal speed, normal playback speed. I'm going to slow the footage down right afterwards and have it go back and forth. It might seem a little weird that the footage is going kind of forward and backward. You might think it's happening over and over if you're not quite paying attention, but it's not. It's just I'm going to play it over and over. So here it comes. Here I run the footage back and forth a couple times. You can actually see those lines appear on my boot as the saw passes.
Whacked me pretty hard, so I mean, my foot actually hurts. Definitely not cut through the boot, but